Today, we're at St Paul de Vence. It is an artist village on a mountainside and medieval. That sounds amazing. Let's go.
So many mistakes, crushing my system. Give me some different places to hide. I've never wished you'd stay this night with me. I only know I want you by my side. Taking my mind, I'll never see you in the dark, 'cause you're shining bright. Why you leaving me now? I'll never see your soul inside, but I tried so hard. Why now? 'Cause I so many mistakes, crushing my system. Give me some different places to hide. I've never wished you'd stay this night with me. I only know I want you by my side. I'm searching for perfect shelter for you and me. Everybody think that I'm off still, but I want to feel. I'm taking my mind, I'll never see you in the dark, 'cause you're shining bright. Why you leaving me now? I'll never see your soul inside, but I tried so hard. My demons in the closet, run away from monsters. I told them they were safe from the monster that I felt. Why you leaving me now? I'll never see your soul inside, but I tried so hard. Why now? 'Cause
You want to protect yourself. You give yourself the most defensible position behind a wall. Then they can just starve you out. That's about it. Sorry, siege warfare. How it worked.
stay this night with me. I only know I want you by my side. I'm searching for perfect shelter for you and me.